Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Watershed Walk series. As promised, this week's video will show the wire fencing installation process in more detail. Fencing is a project that we typically do every field season. We partner with farmers willing to help with riparian restoration and management. The KWRC installs a temporary electric fence system, which we will take down before wintertime and set up again in the spring. Our hope is that the fence provides convenience for our partners, but the main purpose is to keep cattle away from the riparian zone, which is the vulnerable interface area or floodplain between the water and dry land. These gentle animals mean well when they cross streams to get to greener grazing ground, but their heavy hooves easily destroy the soft soil of stream banks, knocking sediment into the water. An informative previous Watershed Walk discusses the problem of sediment accumulation in waterways. Click the link in the top right corner to learn more. Livestock can also trample riparian plants, which otherwise would provide shade for controlling water temperature and grow healthy root systems to stabilize the banks and act as filters for runoff pollutants. So that's why we install the fences. But we're going to show you how. Without further ado, tag along with us as we set up our first fence of the season in the beautiful Goshen area of the Kennebecasis watershed. The first step is to determine the placement of the wooden posts. These will act as guides for the perimeter as well as anchors to keep the fence sturdy and structured once it's established. A post hole digging tool and pry bar help us create narrow holes for the posts, and a fencing maul is used to pound those posts into the ground. The soil around them is then stamped down to keep them upright. Meanwhile, step-in stakes are placed between the wooden posts in a straight line about 8 paces apart. Onto these we screw the plastic insulators, which will hold the wire in place as it runs along the perimeter. Our rule of thumb is to put one about knee height and the other as near to the top of the stake as possible, making sure to twist them nice and tight. A different type of insulator is screwed into the wooden posts at a 45-degree angle on the inside. Once secured, 2 people can easily run the wire off the spools and through the insulators. The wire can be hard to see, so we attach neon ribbon along the perimeter to ensure it is noted both by people and grazing livestock. Sometimes our fencing systems include fording sites where cattle can cross streams with minimal impact, and handles can be attached where preferred to create opening gates. After those decisions, the final step is to erect a solar-operated battery which powers the fence with electricity. The whole process is simple enough, though some installations run smoother than others. Having many hands on the job made this sunny day a breeze. After installation, we take the restoration process a step further with willow staking and tree planting along the stream bank. These bioengineering methods are a favorite with us because they're cost-efficient and effective. Throughout the season, we will visit the fence to ensure it is as it should be, we'll whippersnip long grasses to keep the circuit in check, and water the willows and trees. This is a project anyone can take on for the betterment of their riparian property, and if you're in the watershed, you can reach out to us and we'll be happy to help. A big thank you to our sponsors for making projects like this possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to keep up with our environmental endeavors. Thanks for watching. See you next time.